Hello, hello. What are today's messages? '23. Release the artist within. Express your creativity. Art frees up the imagination and encourage self-expression. Tap into your inner artist and paint. Scribble or draw. What will you create today? Life is not a self-improvement exercise. You do not exist to race on a treadmill to nowhere in search of optimization and advancement. You do not have to see your setbacks as a setup for a comeback or alchemize your struggle into something shiny. Not everything is a life lesson meant to turn you into your best self. Some things just suck. The only power that anything has over us is the power of belief that we give it. The body obeys the mind, therefore the body tends to manifest what the mind believes. The way to change our bodies is to change our thoughts and feelings. Alrighty, let's see what quotes we get today. Open to the magic of every moment. Sense the awe and wonder in all of life. This attitude will keep you connected to the ecstasy of life. Let go of limiting ideas about yourself that originate from the past. Then you can own your power and soar in your life. You are ready to let love in. Compassionately identify and begin to release any patterns that stop you from opening your heart. Stop pushing so hard. The art of living means going with the flow instead of trying to force the river. Your life's journey has been perfectly designed for your soul's growth. Embrace every lesson and every moment. Allow the love and support of others, and rather than trying to handle everything yourself, this can take the pressure off and simultaneously nurture you. A key to positive change in your life is to let in and savor it. Indulge in random acts of smiling during both the hard and easy times. Keep surrendering to more joy. And the last one today. The formula for success is to do all that you can to make things happen. Then let go of the results. Holding on too tightly to a desired outcome can sabotage it. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.